Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet straight edges. Now, straight edges are a really important thing to master in crochet, and in this video we're going to tackle the single crochet, and I'm going to show you a different method of doing the last stitch in a row and the first stitch in the subsequent row so that your edges remain really straight, they don't bulge, and all it requires is not doing a turning chain. So I've reached the end of this row. All I'm going to do is to turn my work to the left so that my work is behind it, my yarn is behind me, so I don't have to actually let go. I'm going to work this first single crochet into the top of the last stitch, like so. So we haven't done a turning chain, all we've done is turn our work and do the first single crochet just like so. So let's whiz across to the end, and we have to make sure obviously that we don't miss any stitches at the beginning and the end of the row, and I'll show you the effect of what that looks like when we come to crocheting the very last stitch of a row. So whiz across. There we go. Now we get to the last stitch, and of course because we didn't have a turning chain, we can see this last stitch by turning our work towards us and going into that V right across in the normal way, picking up those two strands, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. That's our last stitch. Then we simply turn and continue into that very first stitch. Now once you get the hang of this, it actually creates a much nicer edge. You can see this edge is quite firm, so it doesn't have much give in it, which means it stays nice and straight. And I find you don't get this sort of bulging edge like this, which doesn't matter if you're seaming something, but if you're doing a scarf where that is the final edge, you want it to be lovely and straight. So let me just show you that one more time as I whiz across this very small sample. I'm using Aran weight yarn today and a size 5mm crochet hook. What I am finding is that because the beginning few rows of any crochet tend to be on the tight side, if you do your chain, your starting chain, with a larger size hook, it can give you a lot of favours. So we've reached the last stitch here, turn it towards you, finish the stitch. Now you're not going to do this, you're going to have a little bit of extra looseness on this stitch and then turn, because it just helps you out when it comes to subsequent rows. So off we go again. So that's how we do a really straight edge, and I think you'll agree that that's a very simple way of keeping your crochet edges straight. So thanks so much for watching this very short video. Take care, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.